Best tree toppers comparison. Christmas tree toppers are the crowning jewel of holiday decor, adding a festive and personal touch to your tree while tying together the overall aesthetic. With a wide range of designs, materials, and lighting options available, choosing the right tree topper can elevate your holiday experience. In this review, List 1. Kurt Adler 10 Light 6-Point Capiz Star Treetop. The Kurt Adler 10 Light 6-Point Capiz Star Treetop is a visually stunning topper that features a scroll design and Capiz shell material, exuding a traditional yet elegant charm. At $26.73, it falls into the mid-range category, offering a sophisticated aesthetic that complements classic and modern holiday decor. The topper is illuminated by 10 lights, providing a warm and inviting glow. The brass-colored frame enhances its durability while adding a touch of luxury to your tree. Measuring 9 inches in height, it is ideal for medium to large-sized trees. During testing, the topper demonstrated excellent build quality and reliable performance. The lights are evenly distributed, ensuring a balanced illumination that highlights the intricate scroll design. Installation was straightforward, thanks to its sturdy base. However, the topper is suitable only for indoor use, which may limit its versatility for outdoor displays. Additionally, while the Capiz shell adds elegance, it may not appeal to those seeking more contemporary or vibrant designs. List number: Kurt Adler 8.5-inch Capiz Star Tree Topper with 10 clear lights. The Kurt Adler 8.5-inch Capiz Star Tree Topper is a refined option priced at $24.96. Featuring 10 clear white lights and a brass-colored frame, this topper delivers a timeless and understated aesthetic. The inclusion of a spare bulb ensures long-term usability, making it a practical choice for families who want reliability. Its compact size, 8.5 inches, and lightweight design make it suitable for smaller trees or minimalist setups. Performance-wise, the topper excels in creating a soft, ambient glow that complements traditional holiday themes. The clear Capiz material enhances the light diffusion, resulting in a subtle yet impactful display. Installation is easy, and the topper remains securely in place during use. However, the design may feel overly simplistic for those seeking a more dramatic or colorful statement piece. Additionally, the lighting is limited to clear white, which may not suit users looking for multicolored options. List number 3. Kurt Adler 10 Light 8-Point Star Christmas Tree Top. At $14.30, the Kurt Adler 10 Light 8-Point Star Christmas Tree Top offers an affordable yet visually striking option. This topper features an 8-point star design with multicolored lights, making it a vibrant addition to any holiday tree. Its compact size of 8 inches makes it ideal for small to medium-sized trees. While the lightweight construction ensures easy installation and stability, the multicolored lights provide a festive and cheerful display, perfect for families or those who enjoy bold holiday decor. However, the materials and construction feel less premium compared to higher-priced models, which may impact its overall durability. Additionally, the brightness of the lights may not be sufficient for larger trees or well-lit rooms, limiting its versatility. List 4. Kurt Adler 10 Light Multicolor Capiz Star Tree Topper. The Kurt Adler 10 Light Multicolor Capiz Star Tree Topper is the premium option in this review, priced at $30.25. Featuring a multicolored light display and Capiz shell material, this topper delivers a stunning visual impact that combines elegance and festivity. Its 10 light configuration ensures even illumination, while the brass-colored frame adds durability and a touch of sophistication. This topper performed exceptionally well during testing, with its vibrant multicolored lights creating a festive atmosphere. The Capiz shell enhances the light diffusion, resulting in a captivating display. Installation was straightforward, and the topper remained secure throughout use. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the design may feel too elaborate for minimalist decor styles. List 5. The Kade Christmas Tree Topper is a budget-friendly option priced at $5.99, making it accessible to all consumers. Its 10-inch gold-glittered star design with a hollow center creates a classic yet stylish look that enhances the festive atmosphere. Crafted from durable materials, this topper is designed to last for multiple holiday seasons. While it lacks lighting features, the glittered finish effectively reflects ambient light, adding sparkle to your tree. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to its lightweight construction. However, the simplicity of the design may not appeal to users seeking a more elaborate or illuminated topper. Additionally, its lightweight build may not provide the same level of stability as heavier options.